Before buying bath oils, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. It's all about finding the right balance between hydration and soothing scents that actually work.
Product number 1, Bioderma Autoderm Shower Oil. This product caught my attention because it's specifically aimed at dry and sensitive skin, and it's been flying off the shelves with over 20,000 units sold in just the past month. If you want to soothe dry, irritated skin for the whole family, this is worth a serious look. This shower oil is designed to immediately calm feelings of tightness and pain, which is perfect if you've been battling dry skin. It contains glycerin and niacinamides, which not only cleanse but also help rebuild your skin's barrier, making it ideal for anyone suffering from eczema. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That soothing effect can mean a world of difference when your skin is feeling tight and uncomfortable. Now, some people complained about the price point not being very clear, since it's often found in bundles. But here's the thing. Once you try it, the relief you feel is totally worth it, especially if you have kids or infants with sensitive skin. It might not be for everyone, especially if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, but it's a solid investment for those needing extra care. This is perfect for you if you have family members with dry skin, but skip this one if you want something with a stronger scent or more luxurious feel. Overall, a fantastic value for the quality it provides. Now, if that price concern bothered you, this next one might just be what you're looking for.
Product number 2, Avon Skin So Soft Original Bath Oil. This classic has been a go-to for many since 1961, and it's priced at around $20.99. If you want a product that leaves your skin feeling silky smooth, this one is definitely worth considering. What sets this bath oil apart is its unique formulation enriched with jojoba, which mimics your skin's natural oils. This means it absorbs quickly and doesn't leave that greasy residue that can be a deal breaker for many. The calming herbal aroma adds to the experience, making it perfect for a relaxing bath or post-shower moisturizing. Here's why this matters for you. It's not just about hydration, it's about enhancing your entire bathing experience. Now, some people mentioned that they didn't like the lingering scent, which can be a bit strong for some. But here's the thing, if you're into that refreshing aroma, it can actually be quite soothing. It's not for everyone, especially if you prefer unscented options, but if you enjoy a little luxury in your routine, it's a great choice. This is ideal for those who want a quick and effective moisturizing solution after a shower, but skip this if you're sensitive to scents or prefer lighter oils. For its price, it offers excellent softness and hydration. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for relaxation.
Product number 3, Amazon Basics Lavender Scented Foaming Bath. The Amazon Basics Lavender Scented Foaming Bath. Priced at just $4.21, this one caught my eye for its affordability and soothing properties. If you're seeking relaxation without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth checking out. What I really like about this product is its combination of lavender essential oil and Epsom salt, both known for their relaxing benefits. The lavender helps soothe your senses, while Epsom salt works to relieve muscle tension. This means your bath can become a mini spa session at home. Here's why this matters for you. It's not just about getting clean, it's about unwinding and taking care of your mental health. However, some users found that the foaming action isn't as intense as expected, which could be a letdown if you're after those bubbly bath experiences. But honestly, if you're more about the soothing experience than the bubbles, this might just be the right fit for you. This is perfect for anyone looking to relax after a long day without spending too much, but skip this if you prefer a more luxurious bath experience. For such a low price, the calming effects are hard to beat. Now, if you want something that really elevates your shower routine, then let's talk about the next one.
Product number 4, Neutrogena Body Oil Light Sesame Formula. We have the Neutrogena Body Oil Light Sesame Formula. This lightweight oil is about hydration and is priced competitively for what it offers. If you want something that absorbs quickly and leaves your skin feeling silky, this is worth looking into. What's great about this body oil is its light sesame oil formula, which glides on easily and locks in moisture without feeling heavy. It's perfect for dry skin because it pampers your skin while providing essential hydration. Here's why this matters for you. It's about keeping that skin soft and healthy, especially during dry seasons. Some people did mention that it takes a bit of effort to find the right amount to apply, which can be a minor frustration. But I'll be real with you, once you get the hang of it, the results are fantastic, and it's an excellent addition to your post-shower routine. This is perfect for anyone looking to hydrate without the greasy feel, but skip this if you prefer thicker oils for your skin. It's truly a great value for the quality. Lastly, if you're looking for something that not only cleanses but also nourishes, let's check out the final product.
Product number 5, L'Occitane Cleansing and Softening Almond Shower Oil. We have the L'Occitane Cleansing and Softening Almond Shower Oil. This luxurious option doesn't have a listed price, but it's definitely in the premium range. If you want a product that purifies and smooths your skin without drying it out, this one could be for you. What stands out with this shower oil is that it transforms into a milky lather upon contact with water, which not only cleanses, but also softens the skin. If you've ever struggled with dryness after a shower, this could be your solution. Here's why this matters for you. It elevates your shower experience while ensuring your skin stays moisturized. However, a few customers pointed out that it's not as effective for very oily skin types. But here's the thing, if you don't fall into that category, the nourishing properties can be a real treat for your skin. It might not be for everyone, but it's a worthy indulgence for those who appreciate quality. This is perfect for those wanting a luxurious bathing experience, but skip this if you're on a tighter budget or need something more lightweight. For what it offers, it's a lovely treat for your skin. Now, let's wrap it all up with a quick comparison of these fantastic options. So, to quickly recap, we've got the Bioderma Autoderm for sensitive skin, Avon Skin So Soft for a silky finish, Amazon Basics Lavender for budget-friendly relaxation, Neutrogena Body Oil for lightweight hydration, and L'Occitane for a luxurious shower experience. Each has its unique benefits, so think about what you need most. Finding the right bath oil can truly enhance your self-care routine. Thanks for tuning in.